What's up, mananap? Welcome, mga kakaugkonyo. So, I'm so tired na, lol. So, for today, I am going to continue about aggregate functions. So, when we talk about aggregate functions, these functions allows us to calculate set of values to return a single value or a single scalar value in our projected in our screen. So, we normally use aggregate functions along with group by and having and order by clauses in the select statement. So I'm going to show you or demonstrate to you what are the different aggregate functions. Actually, there are five known aggregate functions. We have count, we have sum, we have average, we have mean, we have max, and we have, yeah, that's it. So let's say for an instance, we want to count the number of records, though we know that the number of records we have here is 49, like 49 rows. So we can actually, by using count, so count from TBL, from TBL pet. So we have here 49 records, or 49, let's say we put here uh, records. Okay, so records, we have 49 records there. So you can also assign it with a certain value, let's say pet gender. And let's say you have here where pet gender is equal to female. So you have, meaning to say we have 15 female. So why are we giving why our query is giving here 47 as a parang ang yang yield na record? It's because there are, I guess, I believe, no, I believe na I gender dito na null, so dili siya appeal of counting. So right here, we are able to count the pet record using pet gender na male, all male. Okay, so we can also count number of like type, no? Type, let's say dog, uh, where where pet type is equals to dog. Okay, so that's it. That's for count. So now we can also use another one is a function or a sum aggregate function. So the sum aggregate function is going to return one single scalar value based on the, let's say, pet age or price. So we have here price. So let's say, let's put here sum. Okay, the sum of all pets. So we have 228,431. So it's a little bit confusing. Pwede na to siya i-format. Let's say format sum, then with this one, sum from TBL pet. So you can have here as parang nice na presentation. We have 28,431.89 pesos, no? And our price of all pets. So we can also here, we can also put here where pet type is equal dog or to dog, meaning to say it's only going to sum the entire pets with the dog type. So as you can see, we have here 44,603.82. So you can also do that to any type of your pet. So that's for sum. Now, how about for average? Obviously, for average, you can use the ABG function, aggregate function, to determine the price. So you can also format it. And then how about, sir, if I'm going to use pet name? So, as you can see, it's not going to give us a calculation on the pet name because there's no numerical value uh, because basically it's a varchar. So meaning there's no value that is about to be calculated in that particular field or column. Okay, so that's for sum, APG, and then and also count. We have here mean. So mean is going to uh, display the minimum value, the age, minimum, parang lowest age or parang the youngest, pet among all. But this time it's not going to display the information. We cannot do that. So, like for an instance, you want to know from pet name, mean, pet age, youngest from TPL pet. So let's look into Anjun. So we are going to resolve this one because Anjun is not actually a Anjon is actually 13 years old. So ang si Tahir dapat ang 1 year old, which is the youngest. So far we, although tama ang iyahang na ang query is wala siya nag-error, but it's projecting inaccurate record. So it's not actually the right record. Okay? So we do the same for Max. Let's say for Max Pet, like we want to know who's the parang cheap, no, not the cheapest, but pinaka expensive na pet. So expensive. So the most expensive pet is 43,423. So we have here 42,423. It's actually DASD, but it's actually Anjon here. So, ang first instance na iyang nabasa for pet name is the one that is displayed instead of katong real name ni katong na pet price. So again, because aggregate function is only giving us um, what they call this one single or scalar value lang, or what single scalar value. Okay, so that's count, average, sum, max, and min. So we can resolve this max and min as well as count, and as well as the every average or APG aggregate functions by using group by and order clauses. But that is to be discussed in the next video. So that would be all for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day. See you guys ahead. Bye bye. See you guys ahead, lol. See you guys later.